Would you like to earn free PayPal money by watching videos? If you answered yes to that question, then you definitely come to the right place. Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to make free money to your PayPal account simply by watching videos online. I'm very excited for this one. If this is the first time you're on my channel, I'm always putting out content about how to make money online, different ways on how you could, of course, make some money on the internet. And if that's the thing that interests you, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below so you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So the very site that I want to go over in this video is called grabpoints.com. This is one of those survey sites, and hear me out. I know not everyone's a fan of taking online surveys. I myself am not one that is into taking surveys on, because you end up wasting lots of time answering the same questions over and over again, and you don't really get you end up wasting a lot of time for peanuts pretty much. But in this video I want to show you how to make money pretty much effortlessly by watching videos online. And the benefit with this is that you don't even have to watch the videos, and I'll show you exactly how what I mean by that in a bit. But anyways, grabpoints.com is the name of the website right here. And before I really even talk about the site, at the very bottom you could see a lot of reviews that people have left, and as you can see here, this is one of the most well-reviewed website out there. So here it's got mostly 5-star reviews, and it's over 1,000 reviews that have been left for grabpoints.com. So it's got an average rating of 4.74 out of 5, which is generally very good. Usually when you see this, it's a very great sign that this is, of course, a great site to, of course, consider checking out. But as you can see here, these are the reviews that people have, of course, left. You could thanks GrabPoints for the surveys and rewards. I like GrabPoints because the PayPal redemption is pretty fast. I received it within a few days. Thank you very much, GrabPoints. Excellent site. Got my first payment after 2 business days. That's pretty cool, right? So this one pays out very fast. You can, of course, start making some money, pretty much, right after you sign up almost. But essentially how it works is, advertisers pay, GrabPoints for engagement. So for each little thing that you do on this platform, like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more, then you get points that you can, of course, redeem either for, gift cards or PayPal cash. So I prefer getting, paid via PayPal. But if you want to get paid via Amazon, Fortnite, Steam, Google Play, PlayStation Store, Xbox Live, then you have the option of getting paid out that way as well. So all you want to do is you will want to, of course, create an account with grabpoints.com, and I will include a link down below where you can check out GrabPoints for yourself. So all you'd have to do is, enter your, email, create a password, and then sign up to an account. Otherwise, you could always just sign in with either Facebook or Google. So you have the option of doing that. But once you do that, and once you get logged in, then this is what you will see on the inside of the membership site right here. So, this is, of course, the site right here. And if you scroll down a bit more, these are some of the payments that, of course, have been paid out to members on this platform. So this guy right at the top here made $446.38 simply by watching videos and doing other, little things right there. So that's pretty cool, right? To get paid that amount just for doing, very simple things. Now this may not be, $446 within like a day or so. Of course, it's not going to be, that quick, but it is a great way to make some good, extra dollars on the side. How to, of course, generate some income and, of course, build that up. But, if you can get paid $446 by, letting videos play, then I'd say why not really go for that. So I'm going to be talking about, how exactly you can, of course, do that, and how you can get paid to watch videos without even actually being in front of the computer screen. So they've got the different surveys here that you could, of course, take. Again, I'm not, too big into surveys. I don't like, wasting my time with those. But with videos, the benefit with this is that it takes very little to no effort on your end to earn points by doing this. And it's a great way to rack up some points rather quickly. In fact, right here, the Jun videos, these ones right here, looks like they pay out, like 20 points here that I think it's like per video that you watch, or maybe it's like every few videos, but that's pretty good. And then you could, of course, redeem them for at the reward store up here. So all you'd want to do is you'd want to click on one of these right here. So I'm going to click on this one, and it says awesome earning opportunity, watch videos and earn anywhere between 5 to 20 points for each video that you watch. So that's pretty good, 5 to 20 points 20 at max for every single video that you watch, and it just did, you know, various little things like, you know, watching advertisements, watching these little commercials, it's just stuff like that. But you just click on Earn Now, and then it'll just play out a, I don't know why it's asking me, has your doctor switched your statin medication? No, I do not take statin. I don't know why it's asking me that, but you just answer the little question it gives you. You click on submit, and then it's gonna play a little playlist of videos that you could, of course, you know, watch. You don't necessarily have to watch them, you know, unless if you truly want to, then you could, of course, do that. But you know, it's just.
And there's more to me than HIV. There's my
Let me see if I can mute
my
this here.
calls, and creating my dream home. I'm a work in
Can I mute this audio?
progress. So much goes
Hopefully it's
into
I'm gonna
HIV.
okay, I'm gonna close it out because I don't know if it's actually muting that on you know, with the screen recorder. But all you'd have to do is just let those videos play out. You know, you don't necessarily have to be in front of the computer screen. You can kind of just let your computer screen run either all day or all night. You could, of course, you know, have it, you know, plugged in, you know, keep it charging. And the other thing that I would recommend doing is if you have multiple devices that could, of course, access the internet. You know, if you got like maybe like one laptop, maybe you've got like one other computer you could use, or maybe you have like, you know, a smartphone or a tablet, then what you could do is you can go on those devices and go on the videos and just let them play out, you know, either throughout the night. You could let the videos pretty much run by themselves. And as you are sleeping, as you are doing other things, as you're out and about, you know, just doing other things in your life, then you are getting paid these points just to let these videos run. You don't necessarily have to be in front of the computer screen to get paid these points right here. So that's pretty cool, right? You don't necessarily have to be watching them all the time to, of course, get the points, because, well, they don't necessarily know that you're there in front of the computer screen or not. All they care about is whether or not the videos are playing on a device. As long as the videos, you know, as they're, of course, being played out, then you're getting points based on every single video that you watch. So, you know, you get paid, you know, up to 20 points for every single video that you watch. And then once you earn enough points, what you could do is you can come to the reward store up here, and then you can redeem, you know, your points for any, you know, gift cards, you know, whether it is PayPal Cash, or they've got any of these other merchants here, like, you know, Kohl's, GameStop, you know, Texas Roadhouse, TGI Fridays, Staples, you know, Home Depot, all these other, you know, merchants right here that you could, of course, get paid out to. So it looks like right here, you know, 5,000 points would be worth $5. So that's pretty good right there. So again, if it pays out, you know, 20 points for every single video, then it doesn't really take that long to get up to, you know, 100 points. Like, what is it, like 5 points to get up to like 100, you know, points for every video, and then you just keep, you know, building it up, and then you, of course, get paid $5 for, you know, 5,000 points right here. Then, you know, of course, you know, $50 would be 50,000 points. So, you know, every 1,000 points would be worth like $1 on this platform. So that's, you know, how you can, of course, yeah, think about it that way. But, you know, once you get up to the, you know, amount where you can, of course, cash out, then you can get, you know, redeem it for any of these gift cards, or you can get paid via PayPal. So that's pretty cool, right? So anyways, that is essentially, you know, what I wanted to go over in this video, and I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful and you plan on checking this out yourself, definitely be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, your thoughts on this site, if you're excited to try this out for yourself. You know, again, all you have to do is pretty much, you know, let the videos play out, and you don't even have to really be in front of your computer screen. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. But the thing that I do want to mention before I end this video off is, I know that this may not be a lot of money that you can make, you know, overnight. It's not like overnight, you know, you're becoming rich overnight. That's the other thing that I do want to stress. You are getting paid, you know, some good, some decent side income here and there, some extra dollars. But if you want to learn how to create more of a full-time income online, if you want something that will be much more passive for you in the long term, where you could be working on your own terms, you could be living that lifestyle of freedom, which is, you know, what I assume that you are, you know, going for if you're on this video, then my first link in the description will give you access to my free training I put together that shows you how to do affiliate marketing. And if that's something that you're truly interested in, you want to learn how to create more of an online business where you could be working on your own terms and, you know, living the lifestyle of freedom, then that free training will walk you through how to build an online business through that entire concept. So if that is something that you're truly interested in, you want to create more of a passive income online, then you could check out that free training there. Otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful of grab points. Be sure to check out the website yourself, you know, give it a try yourself. But anyways, hope you found this helpful, and take care.